Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, I really appreciate your engagement. So if you can get this video to 40 thumbs up, I really appreciate it. I love your engagement, and it also helps the community and it helps my videos rank higher. So I would really appreciate it if you guys get this video up to 40 thumbs up and I can release more hair content video for you guys, and it gives me that extra push to know that you guys have rallied up behind me and you guys are encouraging me to do more hair videos for you guys. It's giving me that boost to get these videos out. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I am going to show you how I moisturize my kinky twist when I do moisturize my kinky twist. So what you're going to need is a spray bottle, your favorite oil, also your favorite leave-in conditioner, and I will have all of these products except my DIY product down below. And you're also going to need a plastic bag. This is going to be a really quick video for you guys. So what I like to do is lightly close my computer, is spray my hair. I don't want to get it too wet because I don't want to make my twist revert too bad, but I want to get it misted just enough to where I can feel the water touching my scalp. I want to make sure that I get my edges really well, and I like to make sure I get the tips of the ends of my hair, because that's the part that is touching my clothes for the most part, because I have my hair in a half up, half down style. So I like to make sure that my scalp is thoroughly wet. And you guys, my kinky twists are now a month and 1 day old, and I probably will be taking them down in the next probably I will be taking the twist down within the next week, and then I will be taking the braid down within the week after that. If you guys haven't watched my updated hair routine video, then I will leave that video linked down in the description box for you guys. I will be doing my routine like within the next couple of weeks, but I will be taking down the twist portion of my hair within like maybe a week. So what I'm doing now is just observing where my hair still feels pretty dry at, and then I'm just taking those couple of sections and then spraying it, and then I like to squeeze in the water. The number one thing is to moisturize your hair is water. You need water to moisturize your hair. You just cannot put oil on the top of dry hair, because that's not moisturizing your hair properly. It's not moisturizing it at all. You're just leaving your hair with greasy oil on the top of your hair. So if you guys notice how I can ruffle up the scalp of my hair, but I do not ruffle up the ends of my hair, because I do not want my hair to get tangled whatsoever, because my hair does not like to be washed with twist. That's why you guys don't see me do many micro twists on my channel, because my hair type does not like to be washed or left alone in micro mini twists. So a good technique when you have twist in your hair, if you know your hair likes to lock, is to really thoroughly squeeze your hair like you're wringing out a towel. But as you guys can see, I'm squeezing really hard. There's no water falling out of my hair because it's not overly saturated with water. That is not what you want. You want your hair just damp enough to accept the cream of your choice that you're going to rub on your hair. I do take a good wad of product, warm it up in my hand like so, and I tap all over my hair. I really try not to rub vigorously. I just really want to squeeze that product into my hair. And then I will go in and focus more on my ends. And I go in with a nice little clump. I pat. And then I will go back in with some more water to make sure that I am once again adding more moisture to my hair, because I feel like my hair got a little drier with putting the product on the top of my hair. And once again, I do not sleep with my hair wet, so I am not wetting my hair to the point where it's not going to dry. I believe it's already like 7 o'clock p.m. right now, so I am not getting my hair soaking wet where it's not going to dry. And I'm about to get in the tub, so that's going to help my hair with the heat factor of it. And then what I like to do is take a little bit more, rub it in the palm of my hands, and then now I rub the tips of my hair to make sure that the tips of my hair is getting a lot more product on them. And then I rub those until I feel like it's smooth. And then I like to take it and get a little bit more product, because I'm going to be taking these twists out, not the braid part, because about a ½ inch to an inch of my hair is braided at the root. So I will be taking my twist out only within the next maybe 3 days, and I will wear it as a kinky twist out so that I will be heading to the wash day process for my hair, and I don't have to handle all of my hair in one day with trying to detangle it and take it down. So I just, once again, if you want to know all the full details and nooks and crannies that I do with my hair, then just click the link of my 2025 updated hair regimen, and that video will most definitely be down in the comments, in the description box for you guys. But as you can see, my hair is so much longer than what it started out with already. Like, that's how much my hair shrinks up. And if only it would stay like this, like, I know I can get it stretched a little bit more if I were to blow dry it, but I don't want to stretch it and blow dry it every day. And just another really quick cool comparison of my hair, of what my twist looked like in August of 2022. You guys, I'm giving you guys really good content and great tips and real hair results. So if you could please smash that subscribe button and a thumbs up on just me coming through with the photos for you guys, I would appreciate it so much. Now back to the video. And then to make sure that I seal in all that moisture, I do take my DIY oil. I tap, and I just pretty much do the same process as I did with the cream. I make sure that I get it on my scalp, not too much. A little bit more in my hands. And then I give myself like a quick little, maybe minute, 30-second scalp massage, or make sure that I get my edges. And you guys, this will not bother me. Like, my hair is not white. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but it's not so white to where I wouldn't be able to go outside and my hair not dry. And it's not super greasy or weighed down to where I wouldn't want to like ruin my shirt or something like that. As you guys can see, like, my shirt is still very clean. And then what I like to do is take a satin scrunchie or satin hair tie. I will put my hair in one low pony, which is a swoop, and then I'll put my plastic bag on. And my hair is not drenching wet, it just has product in it. And I will sleep with my hair overnight in this particular state because my hair is not soaking wet and it's just barely damp, but it has that product in it to where I'm going to allow my low porosity hair to suck up that moisture and that product that I put in my hair. Even though I have done this maybe 2, 4, 6, 8. This is my 8th time doing this. So it is about that time for me to thoroughly wash my hair because I'm just putting more product on top of more product on top of more product, just trying to make sure that my hair strands is staying moisturized. But it just comes to a point of where you need to wash all of that off your hair strands and off your scalp and just start completely over. And that's why I only leave these in my hair for the amount of time that I do. So if I decide to sleep with this overnight to give it more of a heated deep conditioning situation, I will. My pillow don't get wet, my hair is not dripping wet. Or if I decide to just take the plastic bag off after I get out of the shower, then I tie my hair down, then my edges will be laid. I don't do the swoop-de-doop with my edges. I let them naturally lay however they're gonna lay when I take my hair rag off, because I don't tie my hair rag where my edges are exposed. My hair tie comes down to my forehead, so my edges is completely covered and my hair grows. As you guys can see, from 2023 till now, my hair grows quite nicely. And after me having 4 setbacks in my life, and my hair still grows, and it's been through some things, you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this updated hair moisturizing routine that I do. And if you moisturize your hair any particular way, leave comments down below and let me know what type of way you moisturize your hair and what products your hair like to use, and if you moisturize your hair overnight, or if you like to moisturize your hair first thing in the morning and then you go throughout your day. Let me know which way you like to do it in the comments down below, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Bye.